Test, test, test. Hola, hola, hola. Test, 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 test. So everyone who is here, hello. I'm continuing my streaming as I basically promised yesterday. And I progressed quite a lot myself offline. But I added a couple of new stuff on my game, which is Thowns. I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe if I'm gonna make louder. No, actually it's headphones. So I don't know, but maybe you can hear it through microphone, like clicks, like this. For fail, for click, and for win. Why? Okay, those are loading. And basically I also added some new stuff like end of the game videos, and also I added the music, whether it's AI or not, where we can not only work with images but with music. Now I'm gonna test it out a bit, because right before a stream I had a crash. So let's see if I can fix it. Let me check if I have echo. Sometimes I have like repeating phrases. Let me see. Is it all good? Hola, hola, hola. So I guess it's all good. All right, this is the sound basically that I just added. Let's see. This is the sound. It's not playing. What happened? Or we are crashing. This one is not playing. Why not? It's kind of a weird sound that I added, but okay, let's try a couple of more and I will clean my logs to see if I can find why is it so. Okay, confirm. This one is playing. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you again. Hello, very good. I progressed quite a lot alone without streaming online. I added music, and now I actually added a couple of new modes for the game about music. Like it's not only images, but now also music. But I need to fix some kind of stuff. I'm basically finalizing everything, and I want to make it the best possible way before I go to production. It's very important as afterwards, as I said, I gonna make same on iOS, and I will just write to Cursor, hey, can you please convert Kotlin to iOS, to Swift for me? And in such case, I need to have the Android application very, very well done, exactly as I want to. So it's going to be easier for me. I would not need to go back to Android, fix it in Android, and then go back to iOS, fix it in iOS and stuff. So that's what I'm pretty much doing right now. Now I want to make it a bit more beautiful. So it's playing sounds, there are checkbox. Yeah, I hope you are also okay. How are you? Hello, hello, Versland. So what is the idea here? Idea here is actually very great. I'm gonna explain it now. I'm doing excellent. I like the UI design. A lot purple dark color, real nice. Somewhere on the YouTube, I heard that really those colors is a psychopath colors. So I don't know. Well, but I like those ones. So thank you. Um, what is the idea here? The idea here is, let me show you. This is a planet. The pink part is something that is conquered by AI unicorn, and the green part is something that you manage to protect. And the whole planet is divided by 1,000 squares. You can rotate it, and you need to play the game. Basically, the game is you need to guess which one is AI. So one of those is AI. I guess this one is AI, and this is wrong. I don't remember already myself what is AI or not. Which one is this? So that's basically how you play it. You need to guess. This was AI. Now here, maybe this. Right, good. This. So now I guessed properly. Now I need to select one of 6. Find one AI. Which one could be AI? Maybe this? No. This. And as you can see, for every time that I'm wrong, the planet become a little bit more pink, which just means that it's a little bit more conquered by evil AI unicorn. And as soon as I answer right, the planet is getting colored more in green. It's hard to notice all of the color changes because it's like literally 1,000 pieces that are color. And I have different modes. For instance, right now it's just a picture mode. But I decided to go farther than this. And this is just a picture, but we have here videos. I just randomly now swiping. I don't remember which one is AI or not. Okay, continue. This is a video. So this one is AI. I have now I'm trying to polish the stuff that I did. This is AI for sure. It's loading quite slow. trying to close 1 million of my tabs on my computer because it's not gonna work really fast with my. I'm do double stream, and with my double stream I also need to run Android Studio and Cursor, so it's quite a lot. I'm doing excellent. Great. Okay, let me got back. So I want to arrive to the sound part. It's not swiping. Yeah, it's swiping, but with videos it's taking a more as I need to load them. Probably I need to add the no internet here. So I have here a little checklist. Good, this one I added. Let's see. Okay. Can't hear anything. Oh yeah, it's actually. All right, that was a sound. Brilliant. Really, it's like a quiz. To save the planet, nice. I like by the way, my name is Sofian. Not Versland. Okay, well, very nice to meet you. Just I see the nickname, right? So how could I know? And normally I'm on my streams, I'm just reading a full names, whatever it would be, underscore score 1 2 3 4 5 blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I can. It's just like I am doing now MVP, right? So I'm trying to guess whether people gonna use it. Yesterday I showed it to a couple of people, and I guess they were playing. They were like engaged in the game, so I guess it's good. Let me see more. And this. Okay, this is AI. Confirm. Here I added confirm button because I need users not to click accidentally on like I need on a sound to play and accidentally not click as a confirmation what they want. So I need to be careful. This is kind of a rain sound, and this. All right. That's AI. So many stuff I need to do right now. Ooh. Okay. Let me. I'm gonna finish the design now. So I added the buttons. This one I need to make a bit smaller. Right. Well, yeah, they're gonna keep it like this, and this one's gonna go to cursor. Can you please make sound squares a bit more? No, I'm not gonna be. Can you please remove the white stroke from the sound play / pause buttons and make the background white with black font. Also use the icons. Now I'm gonna add icons in here. Vector. We have here play button. I haven't exported the pause button, really? Should be this one. Oh yeah, I actually really forgot. So it's gonna be pause button. Also use icon. I'm gonna give new vector asset. You're always welcome. And pause button. All right. Next. Finish. We're gonna get. Oh no, I didn't need this. I need just absolute path and also use icon, which is pause button for pausing the sound and copy and this for playing the sound. Also, please, as soon as user click on the confirm button, stop playing the sound and load the new ones for the next step slash checkbox, or just if it's time move to the next game. Let's see if it's going to be able to do it. So I added here the start and the ending of my game, which I tested today. Like, my idea is in here. Once this planet gets 100% green or 100% pink, in such case I launch those videos. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? I'm not mind answering. I'm 34, and that's pretty much it. I don't think that this question is bad or good. Hello, Demanor Koden. I can see sounds now. Good idea. Yeah, I added as you. I think it was you, right? Yesterday who said. So yeah, that's what we are doing right now. And I had crashes. Only now we are adding this. No, it was very slow. Yep. Okay. So let me see if I need. It's maybe not the best design, but it's not like I cannot even click it. Okay. So yeah, I'm playing this video if I'm 100% pink. It's like crying unicorn. And I play this one is if unicorn won. It's supposed to be like kind of very exclusive because people should see it. Oh, actually, oh my god, it is a problem, right? Because you cannot see. I generated it with Sora, and unfortunately you have here Sora icon, which I need to change. I need to write it down on my to-do list. Crop win lose videos at the bottom as it's Sora videos. Remove the icon. Okay, that's what I need to do. Oi. How do you plan to make profit from your app? Through ads within the app, or yeah, I will explain now. Yeah, the designs need more work. You can use Gemini 3 for that task specifically. A lot of people say about the Gemini. I need to use it. About the monetization part, it's just is it it was a crash? Don't doubt that it was a crash. It was not actually. It's just getting very slow because I'm full loaded. I need to close more tabs on my computer. But basically, through AdMob advertisement, that's how I plan monetize. In all my applications, I monetize through AdMob advertisement. It's just the part that I'm never sharing online. I'm never like showing my configurations on AdMob because it's kind of like you don't want to share this because there are more private stuff and like you don't you it's like you don't share this. And you can see here, right, that here on the top, here on the bottom, I placed. Yeah, it's not to crash. Yeah, yeah. So I have here and here the banners of AdMob, and if I remember right, I did that every 20 games. We just show interstitial, but interstitials are so annoying that I like try to make it very not often. And demon, I will just call you demon. It is the videos in the end of the game. So let's run again and we see. Okay, I'm gonna try to force quit some stuff on my laptop because I just not gonna survive long if I gonna keep. It's because on during my streams I am opening a lot of stuff, so I'm trying to close. Okay, we're running. Okay, I did quite a lot yesterday. Privacy, terms and conditions, links, etc., etc. So that's what we will add right now. If you do use ads for monetization, you can add like payment if people want to get rid of ads. Like yeah. I know in most apps to pay disable apps that will generate good money if ton of people use it. The hardest part is to make, you can generate a ton of money also if people just use it and just watch the ads in a way, right? You don't want to share it with ad stuff, but to get a ton of hell of people use your app is the hardest part. So yeah, there are different strategies. I'm sure that there are a lot of people who are gonna apply different ways on how to do it, but I actually have this stuff that you say on Calm Loop application, but I'm not arriving to make ton of shit people using Calm Loop application. So, but yeah, so the ones who are like really want it, they gonna eventually buy it. But also, I'm trying not to be super like annoying with my advertisements. Just like I try to moderate it, at least maybe in the beginning. You need to collect 1 million of users and then show to all of them like 10 advertisement in one day, and and you're ready to go. When I was doing mobile apps with Expo, I was using my real device instead of App Simulator, and since I'm using Linux, I was able to use Scrippy to display a screen. I guess it's screen sharing stuff. My phone in the PC screen. I never actually saw anyone build a game using Cursor. This is a new to me. Can believe Cursor can build the game too. But this is not like a game. No, it's not like a video game. It's not. It's not something that you do with Unity. I wish, but I need to have an idea and some kind of really cool idea to make like more 3D game stuff. It's not a game. It's not video game stuff. It's not a gaming. It's I don't know how to even call it. It's not game development, I guess. It's a native Android app development. Okay, let's see. I actually asked to change the design. So let's see if I can make some stuff out of it. So I need to play because we are going by rounds. Like firstly, I select some images. There are different modes. Like now, select one of 2. Now I need to select one of 9. Continue. Next one is going to be find one real out of 9. I just don't care right now. I'm just trying to keep going with my game. Next one is this one. It's a bit lagging, right? Continue. My sound disappeared, but this is because it's emulator and I'm overloading my computer. Swipe right or left. This is actually that I got I got a feedback about this one that swipe right, like I say, swipe right if AI, swipe left if real. But the feedback that I got is actually supposed to be vice versa because it's more natural. It feels like something that is not AI should be on the right side. So I need to change it. It's about time you switch to Claude. Code already. It's very interesting. Let's see on which stream I'm gonna do it. Like like the comment, everybody's saying it. Like it's going so crazy. Um, Subscribe to my channel and download my application so I can switch to paid Claude. How did you make that ball of main screen to rotate? Looks cool. I asked Cursor to do it, but it's the ball. Let me check the game and like once we finish actually this is sound, so I need to make this more narrow and look. That's right. It's not disappearing. Why? Confirm. So why it's not disappearing? Something is wrong in here. It's lagging. Gonna close it. So the ball is it's drawn. It's not an image. I am drawing graphically the ball, and that's what allows me to like change the color of each and every part of this planet. And I made this cool feature that actually, if you click on it, it gives you a prompt that basically say some fun stuff. So here, save the world before your snack is copyrighted. I want to, in a way, make people to like encourage them to fight against AI. Also, after each level in your app, maybe you can add an ad to play. It might make some people regabate because most people hate ads, but they hate you get a profit from it. That is good. Let's see how many people gonna even download it. I guess it's the most important part at my stage of development, like at the game that it is right now, is to deliver. Because even if it's not gonna be super like polished and beautiful, but it's like brings value, people gonna use it. And then it's up to me what I gonna do. So firstly, let me see what I need to. I have a lot of stuff to fix before I want to actually publish it. I'm ready to publish almost, but okay, which one is AI? I don't care right now which one is AI. But if I would play, I kind of balance because I see that for each, like this red cross, I'm coloring one cell pink, but for each green, I color 3 because I just, by experience, noticed that it's very easy to lose in this game. Like AI is winning. And some of the pictures are obvious and some of those are really not. For instance, find one AI. This one, right? Oh, this is not. This is actually a collage made by people. So maybe this? No. See, I cannot do it even myself. Maybe this? No, this? Okay. So that can be that hard. I'm just clicking because I need to. Ta-dum. Continue. This is a sound that I just added. I also want to add a button to mute the sounds and mute the music. Like I haven't muted the music, like I will show after I play this round. So Mona Lisa, da-dum. Continue. It's those ones are videos. It's kind of like another type of game, whether it's AI or not, that I added. And all the data I load from my collected database, not from. It's not locally on phone because otherwise it's impossible. Okay, let's try to play sound. Today I added a sound mode of the game where we need to place a sound and define which one is AI or not. And sincerely, I always say all my streams, several years that I'm streaming online, I always repeat, I am not musical person at all. Like I don't know how to read notes. I don't know anything to detect with my hearing skills. I have no idea. I use anti-gravity. For me, at least, it's better than Cursor. There are so many stuff, and I need to try out a lot of things. That let's see. I already have. Oh my God, I have one, I guess, genius idea that I just wrote for me that I need to do, and I cannot say it because I kind of like have this superstition that if I say in advance, it's not gonna happen. But I have amazing idea for an application, which I'm not gonna tell. But I'm gonna tell eventually. If I gonna be like, I don't know if it's technically possible to do. I need to talk to ChatGPT in private, and then I'm gonna tell. So let's play and see. This one. Sounds like artificial intelligence, and this one. This sounds like natural. So I gonna choose this one. Confirm. That's wrong. Okay, this one is the next one. This. Okay. This is like this one is like a very chilling, like scary. I think this one is AI. All right, this. I wish I could guess any of those. This. I think cow is AI generated. Yay! I think here is also not very visible when the sounds are being changed. So that's what I'm gonna write. Okay. Firstly, great. Comment the changes. About that unicorn that appears after each round is done. Maybe you can create more and have them as a purchase item with coins, so users can choose variety of ones to appear after each completed round. Well, yes, it's a good idea. Like, probably I need to write down all of those ideas to implement. Actually, that's what I'm actually gonna do. I have my list in here. Hopefully, I'm not sharing this online on my screen, but even if I will share, it's all right. And I'm gonna write here ideas. Actually, I can share it. It's not a big secret, but I'm gonna write ideas to proceed with the AI suggested by stream viewers. Okay, great. Your idea is on the backlog. Is this a real streamer or AI? This is real streamer. Like, if you behave robotically, that's means that you're a real human, right? I'm lagging more than AI. Very welcome. Very welcome here. All right. Now I want to make those squares a little bit smaller, which I'm gonna say, and I need to make more like smooth navigation between like sounds between those checkboxes. So okay, I'm gonna say, can you please make the white blocks can you please make the white blocks with the sounds? Can you please make the white blocks with some more narrow / small? And can you can you please also, but I don't even know how to do it. Maybe after each time that user press confirm button, show a little toast saying next, so the navigation will be more smooth. Okay. Are you into app development or just doing it for fun or entrepreneurial purpose? I'm into app development. I'm doing it for fun and for entrepreneurial purpose. That's my answer. All together, I'm glad I could help. Yeah, your one is on the backlog. I always repeat, I am streaming always, and just I guess also my quality on Twitch is not the best, like the video, because I'm overloading my computer. I'm always streaming on YouTube and on Twitch simultaneously. So if I'm not reading on Twitch or YouTube, it's because I just look on one or another chat and cannot answer. Also, for marketing, create videos about your apps, showcase it on your YouTube channel. That's how that guy Bridge Mind you found yesterday is doing it too. You can check him out. It's a great idea. Sometimes I'm trying to do so. There are actually a couple of videos on YouTube. Like I did this application last winter, December last year. Them, you must be making money bags. I wish it's not that easy. So subscribe to my channel and download my application so I can make money bags. I wish it would be so nice. I did an application last December last year, like a month ago, and I had a problem because App Store rejected my application. It was like 4 or 5 times. It was like wrong icons, not good ideas. The worst was when App Store is rejecting your app because it considers that your app is not a good idea. And the reason of rejection on App Store was this, like, your functionality is not enough. Try to come up with better idea of your application. I was like, oh, okay, good. Okay, so it did some. Let's play a little bit more, and then we will. Bridge Mind start creating a big community. I was from the first one to subscribe him. Focus on building community first. What does it mean exactly to focus on building a community? It's marketing pretty much, no? Making an app for iOS is a pain in the ass, but it also the most profitable ecosystem for app devs if the apps is solid. You mean on, are you referring to App Store, or are you also talking about in general App Store and Google Play, like Android and iOS? Or are you talking only about, like, all you in general just consider as mobile game development? It's going to be way easier, right? I mean him. You mean him? What do you mean? Like the community? It's hard, like, about the community. You know what? It's very hard. It's very hard. Also, it's because, like, for example, right? I'm streaming online my game. I also have a lot of private stuff, and sometimes I'm just sharing those. Like, for example, I have my project, and I was even got interviewed in the Catalan television about that I like to draw in Figma digitally the architecture of Barcelona, which is just like I do because I like to do so. And people just noticed it and they took an interview. But for instance, sometimes I streamed it online, but right now I'm thinking marketing wise or like growth wise, should I stream it online? Because right now, I believe people who are watching my YouTube or my Twitch are the ones who are very into vibe coding. Because all my titles of my streams are called vibe coding. But my question: if I'm gonna one day stream my Figma design stuff, Is it something that people gonna watch? So I don't want to break it. And that's when the whole community complication starts. So I agree with you, but I just think that it's extremely hard. Build a community on YouTube. People who watch you will for sure try your app after. Yeah. That's for sure. I agree 100%. After this your work and potential of the app, but it's hard to do it. But with enough consistency is possible. Yeah, I agree 100%. App Store, because that's where paid users are happy to spend money on apps, and Android is just brokies trying to want everything in free. App Store, yeah, maybe you're right. It's well, yeah, because like people with iPhones and stuff, of course. Yeah. It makes total sense. Let's continue the game. I have so much to do. I cannot like some streams. Sincerely, on my experience, you stream and you're like, oh my god, it felt like it was whole lifetime, like forever, and it was 3 minutes of stream. Now it is 15 minutes of stream and it feels to me like 1 minute. Take your time, you'll do it. I for me personally, because this is not my main job and this is not something that I like can dedicate all my time, I decided that smart for me to do is to do it on the way that I can do it, right? So like I'm not trying to force myself. If I do, it's because I really, really want to do this. This is something that can give me consistency. Because if I'm gonna force myself, I was like, no. But there will always a big plus that I feel is that I can do whatever I want. Like it's my space. I am free to I can do everything. Yeah. USA is life. It's very, very interesting nickname. I guess I just explained right now everything what you are asking. So let me continue. This is the next sounds. Let's listen. This is AI. If I would need to play only audio, it'd be crazy. I would never guess. This one? No sound? Hello? There is a sound actually, but I couldn't hear it. Well, I guess this is AI. All right. It was wrong. Next. The car. And here. It's very hard. Wipe coding software can building entire web or app. Yes, it is. Oh no. We are showing okay the next stuff. So after I am doing select one of two, I'm having here when you need to swipe right or left to define whether this is AI or not, and this is what we wrong design, and also we should not show this text. Okay, so now I'm gonna be okay, great. Now for the swipe sound game mode, can you please change what I want to change? The same design to the same design and make it no stroke, white background, and remove the sorry, and remove the name of the file, but place something like check this sound. or other text. Let's try to fix this one. All right. Yeah, and then I would need to change the I have a script that I did some time ago about how to crop those. I don't know, where is it? I need to do it. And I also did the whole translation. It's in Ukrainian and also in English. So there are two languages. Let's try to play still. No, we're not playing. Okay, I guess it's not playing. Why is it so? What's going on? More? Hey, no. It's gonna lag. Or it's a wrong sound? Okay, this is emergency stuff. It's working. I don't know. That was AI. Exotic tropical bugs. This is not AI. Oops. Red wine guitar. I think it's because it's loading the sound. No? All right, let's rerun the app because it's already done. Our cursor did the job. Let's see. Then we can move it all to Kotlin, to Swift, sorry, from Kotlin. The worst part that I hate to do is to upload to stores. You need to fill in so much, like all these questions like, are you selling drugs on your application? Are you like, I don't know, promoting violence and stuff like this, which is like, like, of course not. Well, all right. Let's try to play again. Which one is AI? I guess this. Wrong. There is one stuff that I need to do on swiping because it's time to do it because like I need to change the swipe game mode that if I swipe to the right, it means that this is the real one, not AI. Okay, this is a part that I want to change, that I guess it's wrong. It's loading. Okay, this is AI. Let's see. Well, it's not playing because as I say, my computer is. Wow, it's quite bad what it does. Okay. This next text that you added at the bottom on of the confirm. Then can you maybe make it not like a text on the screen, but like a toast or maybe just pop up that will quickly appear while new sounds are being loaded. As user needs to understand that we are showing a new as users needs to understand that we are showing a new sounds. Also, maybe try I'm making very vague stuff right now, trying to add some kind of reloading to the reloading animation to the sounds, how to the sound 1 and sound 2 blocks of the screen. Let's try it out. And this.
Excuse me?
This is AI. No, that's wrong. And he removed the toast, right? It's wrong. He did wrong job. No, it was actually a real toast. So I don't know. It's got or it's got lagged because my cursor is working too much. Now we are going to play the solo audio. It's not gonna play. Should play the sound. Okay, just can try to swipe it. For this one, I also need to have like a next stuff. Well, let's see. The build is successful. Let's see if it's gonna change for the 2 sounds, and then we gonna check for 1 sound. Maybe I should have not done this the whole music part. Maybe I just should have proceed with uploading. Just a second. Need to answer because, as I said, I am trying to sell desperately my bike. Let me answer. Maybe I'm gonna be able to sell it. All right. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, yesterday on stream I said it's just like after 5 years of not using my bike that I bought for me, because I used to live in Amsterdam and I really wanted to to keep using bikes in Barcelona, but it's impossible. So After 5 years of realizing that I'm not going to use it, I just try to sell it for just whatever. And also, like, oh, I got scared of my own application. Okay, this is AI. But here is my mistake. Listen to the sound and swipe right if it's real, and left if it's AI. But right now, it's not working like this. Right now, it's vice versa. So I want to make the logic as description, but not as it is. So I need to change it. Okay, let's try to rerun the app to understand if it's gonna work or not. Let's see. I have a genius idea that I cannot tell online. Yes, but I hopefully gonna. If I will be able today in the evening, I will talk to ChatGPT whether it's possible. I sincerely don't know if it is possible to do technically, but oh my god, I have such a great idea, and I don't think that there are any analogy for this one, so I'm very, very happy about this. Let's see. Okay, this is a new stuff that we have. Save the planet. Let's go. I'm gonna lose soon. Okay, which one is AI? This one AI. Which one? This one. This is not AI. Okay, this one AI. This. Oh, I'm quite good now. That's how you play the game. So once it's gonna be published, you all need to download it. This is AI. This is also. This is no. This is no. Oops. This is no. Okay. All right. This is a video. This is AI. Oh no, it was not. This is yes. This is yes. This is no. This is no. Continue. All right. So what do we have? Let's try to play. Nothing played? Well, it's just because I will try out on the real phone, but let's try. Okay, this is good. All right, I know what to do. Can you please just remove this next toast / pop-up / message that we added to the two sounds selection game mode, as I don't like it anymore. And let's add the sound loading on the bar with the sounds also for the swiping left or right, the sounds left or right sounds game mode. Let's see, and then we're gonna commit the changes. It's very important. Let's see. And then so much to do, like the like final touches of the game. It's so hard to do. Like what do I have in my list right now? I have an idea. Every 10% of the change of the planet suggest to play a bonus round, which would be a music, but eventually I decided not to do it. Make the progress more visible, notify user every 15% that you are losing or winning. Switch by places, swiping the AI and real image, which is I will do right now. Fix the bug if it's already have a pop-up with the result the image below should not be clickable. That is not working. I should do. No internet message offline I need to do. Crop win lose video at the bottom as it's Sora generated video that I still need to do. Have a huge backlog to do. Oh my god. But let's see. Let's try to play. Like a little guitar. This is AI. This is wrong. All right, sound 2, sound 1, confirm. I'm not listening, I just want to see that we changed something on the next one. Build failing. This is all jumpy. It's very wrong, so we should fix it. The animation when I press confirm button should be different. Good. It's quite good, quite smooth. Let's try to check on Ukrainian language. People who are new, I'm Ukrainian. You probably don't know it, but I am. Nuit, hello, how are you? Oh my god, Nuit, I think that you are one of the now oldest people who stayed in my stream, and I see how badly my stream on Twitch is lagging. Oh my god. YouTube is going good. But okay, let me go. I will try to join my own stream from phone to see how is it. Yeah, that's actually what it's in español. Fatal, va fatal, no? Ah, no, actually now it's good. Ah, well, I don't know. Nuit, how are you? How is everything? All right, then I can close it. So good. Okay, cursor. Need to make a better job. So let's play. Feeding cat. How are you? Today I planted plants for my cat. I just literally, the first thing when I woke up, that's what I did. All right. I need to add a new point for my backlog when I need to say add play, no, mute play sounds, comma, not music. This is something that I also want to control, add privacy policy and terms to the settings. I just like when in settings I have terms and privacy policy. I feel like it's giving the trust to users. All right, let's see. So now Ukrainian is working quite good. This is real. Okay. Well, so the translations are done quite good. Build is still failing. OMG. This jumpy stuff is too bad. also I need to add continue button should be more visible as a button that I'm gonna add to my backlog. Continue button should be more looking like a button, like a clickable button. Right, that's what we will add. What's the error? I don't have any error. Which error? Ooh, why not ask? But what error are you talking about? Just fix fix the stuff. It's very good. But what I was just saying, it's you see when I will show you now. You see I'm like playing, and here this is continue button. It's basically I kind of like say, I try to say, look, I'm giving kind of like result of the whole round, and I say like you get 2 points out of 5. The unicorn is smiling because he's happy that you're a loser, and this is a button that it says continue. Well, I'm not even following there is stuff that Cursor is doing. Like sometimes I also look in what is happening, but now I'm not. And I just writing down meanwhile backlog that I need to do. So I just added that this should look more like a button. That's what I do right now. But eventually, though, yeah, I guess it's failing because it cannot load the audio. Something wrong with audio, and I was fixing just a little tooltip on what we do for. I was fixing the stuff for in between of those checkbox when I'm on the detect whether it's AI or not. But in audio mode, like now we're comparing the pictures, but I wanted to compare audio. And I'm giving opportunity to users to play audio and decide whether it is AI or not. And I just was saying that because there is no image, users don't know whether the new audio was loaded or not. And they don't know whether they should click to play to listen. So I was saying to Cursor, just add a loader button or like icon. Now it's actually built successful. I was not even checking what is happening there. Let's rerun the app to see. And I just was saying, add this loader so users can see that this is kind of a new sound that's gonna play. At least it's not needed, but it's a good feedback for users to see. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, now we're running the application. Oh my god, time today is just flying. Is it because it's Sunday or something? What's going on? How long am I? Okay, I am 1 hour 18 minutes. This is just crazy. It's just crazy. Okay, save the planet. Let's try to play. Just I'm clicking randomly. Actually, quality in Twitch is better than YouTube. Sofia Nimid. I don't know. I don't know why I thought this. Actually, I opened Twitch and I saw that everything was like blurry in a way. So I had no idea why. So I decided. But yeah, it's true that sometimes when it's bad, people normally complaining. Sometimes I have this terrible bug when OBS is just duplicating my voice, and I hate. Normally, I'm like starting to stream, and people like, like your sound is duplicated, which I'm like, oh, thank God that people are saying this. So let's see. This is AI. It was not AI? I cannot believe it was AI. There's something that we need to change. Oh, my cat is here. Probably she's gonna jump on a table and... Okay, Let's see. Or this. I guess this is AI. Yeah, I was right. All right, this is way better. Okay. Well, anyway, let me. And the loaders are actually super good because you can see that there is like a new sound. It's very good. I'm very, very happy with my decisions. Change. Okay. Some pictures are hard to know is whether it's with AI or not. And my cat is here. Is this AI cat or not? Xena, no, not on a keyboard. No, she cannot detect keyboard and she just likes to step on it. Now we are on our typical stream mode when it's my cat. She needs attention, so I'm gonna make it bigger, Xena. Okay, and also on OBS, I'm gonna make it bigger, and we just gonna stare for some time on my cat. This is my cat Xena for people who are not aware, and it is mandatory part of my streams online. Not decided by me, decided by her. And her name is Xena. It's for the warrior princess because she has really, really remarkable, outstanding personality. Then she likes to fight with everyone. So that's what she's doing. Okay. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do now commit changes. And we're gonna go for a next part where I want to change the swiping. Well, we can play meanwhile. This is AI. It was. And this. Oh, the final part of the sound was quite. What is she doing, Xena? Okay, this is not AI. Oh, I got wrong. And we are back to pictures. Great. All right. This is again. So this is something wrong with coloring because there are some parts that is not colored, but no, it's all right, right? Because this is a transparent one, so it looks like it's full colored. It's all right. Okay, let's see. Okay, changes committed. Okay, now important part that I'm expecting that I'm gonna suffer quite a lot. It's about the swiping. It's so adorable and it's much your hair color. My cat, yes, my cat is very adorable and she's very egoistic. My cat, as you can see, like she doesn't care about anything else. this crazy cleaning cleaning gestures are very very funny. All right, what I gonna do now? It's very very important part. Now I'm gonna say, now I would like to make just a little change for swiping right or left modes of the game for images. Why she's doing it? Xena. Maybe enough, please. Enough. Good? Just need to pause a bit for my... because I cannot type when she's doing this. she gonna be her birthday is very soon on 27th of January. She will be 11 years old exactly. This, but she behaves like a very she's like old for a cat, but she behaves like she's 1 month cat. Xena, please just let me go. Yeah, 11 is a lot, but you can see that she's a very young soul. Okay, and we say okay, swiping right or left modes of the game for images, video, and sounds. That this should work like this. Colon. The title of the title slash task of the game mode should be what it should be. It should be swipe right, no, swipe left if it's AI, and swipe right if it's real. Okay. Also add Ukrainian tradition translation. Just Xena, please stop. Ukrainian I cannot see my keyboard slash translation. And you need slightly to change the logic for all three modes for game. I need to like literally write this for AI, otherwise it will not understand. For modes, for all three modes of the game: video, sound, and image, so that if user swipe video, image, or sound that which name starts with AI underscore. That's basically the logic of my game. How I define whether the image is AI or not is just because I filtered out all of the images by name. All AI images, videos, or sound start with AI underscore, and real starts with real underscore. And it's very easy to do because I'm basically picking up the bunch of videos, and with a script I just add prefix which start with AI. So if user swipe video, image, or sound which is it correct? I don't know. That's grammar part here. Oh my god, I need to switch from name starts with AI. This would be a right answer. And if user swipe video, audio, sound, which with name starting with AI to the right, it's a wrong answer. And it's a big prompt. And correspondingly, if the video starts, if a video, comma, image, comma, sound starts with real underscore, if a video, image, comma, sounds name start with real underscore, and user swipe it right, comma, then it's a correct answer. And if the video, image, sound, name starts with real underscore, and user swipe it to the left, then it's a wrong answer. Enter. Good. We're ready. Xena is vibe coding. Let's see. Should be very important part. Is she looking to the camera? That's all. That's how normally this all happens. She just like staring, sitting, and then she goes. All right. So I'm just gonna make myself smaller now. This is ready. And where is my OBS? Yeah, also making myself here small because I like to show off my cat. All right. Boom. What do we have? Marjo. You should make her a birthday party and we all invited. She would not like it. I feel like the best present for her if we will not touch her at all and give her a lot of food. Oh my god. It's wet. Just a second, I need to fix my chair. So last Friday we went to the vet, and this is a very good vet, my favorite vet of whole Barcelona, and she has all records of Xena like for years, and she told me like that some time ago her weight was 6 kilos 700 grams, which is almost 7 kilos. Now we were making a lot of effort for our cat to not overeat. It's a lot of work to do, and now she's 4 kilos 800, which is a big advantage for her, but it was so hard to do. And I was just imagining that how is it possible that my cat was almost 7 kilos, and I picked up pictures of her. Wow, she was so fat. She was so fat, and I could not see it because I used to see her every day. And in my eyes, she was just like a little tiny cat, but she was just enormous. And I looked on pictures, and it's like Garfield, and but she was so cute. She was so cute, and now I'm making jokes because she just recently managed to lose weight. We like literally made job for this, and I'm just making jokes that she took Ozempic, and that's the secret of her right now. But it's not true. All right, seem to be that there are some changes done by our beautiful cursor. Let's test it out. That's basically the whole part. Now we do, we test, we do, we test, we do, we test, which is actually amazing because a lot of opportunities are opening to us right now. Let's see. It was a big change to do because it's very important. When I used to play this game, I also noticed that like what is going to the right, it's more natural to be like good, like real, right? We don't want to call AI like good in our game, in our case. All right, save the planet. By the way, I added the music. Here is the music. Hope you can hear it. Okay, and it's lagging because it's too much for my computer, but it's all right. Which is AI? This is AI. This is AI. So I'm just playing. We need to see. I know that actually on the log cut, where is my log cut? I am loading. What was that I saw there? Oh, my cat went to eat. So in any case, I'm here having a list there is a bunch of stuff that we are loading. So for swiping, because now I need to check the swiping, I need to see what we are loading. Like, this is important, okay. But firstly, let us arrive to the swiping part. Right. Continue. Okay, this is swiping. So do we have our... This is bunny, which is real. So this is, you can see here, I'm loading image, which is called, sorry, which is called blah, 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 real underscore bunny. This one. It says here in Ukrainian. Why is it says in Ukrainian and here it says in English? Translation bug, but okay. Swipe left if that's AI, swipe right if that's real. So now if I swipe this left, it's going to be wrong. Great, it's working. This is AI, I know it. So if I swipe right, it should be wrong. Good. This is AI, so I swipe it left. Correct. This is, I guess it is AI, so left, correct. This is AI, correct. Done. This would be videos, which I also need to do. This one I don't remember. We should, do I have here? Okay, let me see if I'm gonna dot mp4. Okay, so this is video is new videos, download, AI. Okay, this is AI. So I swipe it left and it should be right. Correct. This is AI. Correct. This is not AI. Correct. This is AI. Ah, it was real. Wait a second. It should be bird. Well, I hope. I don't know. Yeah, this was real. All right. So this is not. So I swipe it right and it should be wrong. Great. Videos are also working. Now I need to, I'm gonna load everything what is MP3. And we will, nothing is loaded. Weird. Right? Okay. Let me see to test it out. So what is this? This is AI realistic frog. So first sound. Second one. Siren real. Wow, terrible sound. So, well, what I'm trying to, like, this is real, so... okay, so it was correct. I'm choosing AI. So this one, all right, let me see next what we are loading here. This one is some kind of a weird breathing. We have here this AI, and this one is Moto, which is real. So I'm choosing the first one. Correct. Good. Next one, it's already working, so I don't need to check more. This is ready. I don't care. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Confirm. This is important. So we have a new audio. Let's listen. And this is real. So now, if that's real, I need to swipe right and it should be correct answer. Correct. Next one we loaded. Let's see, it is real. So left and it's wrong. Okay, let's try till the end of the game just to test. This one is AI and I'm gonna swipe it right. It's wrong. Next one is terrible. Evil witch. The sound was called evil witch. This is AI, so I'm gonna swipe it left and it should be right. Great. And the next one last is It's not playing, but it is Real Red Wine Guitar. Why is it always given this one? I have a huge amount of audios that I use for my game, but it's all right. Real Red Wine Guitar, it is real, so if I swipe right, it should be correct, which is good, great. And I get 3 out of 5 points, which is also really, really good. And I click continue. So swiping is great. What I need to do, commit, it changes. And I actually always upload everything to GitHub, not to lose anything, because it's super important. So that's what I do. All right. Run. And I can mark, I have my list about is it AI. I actually, what gonna do? Switch by places, swiping. Okay, done. I can show you very, very briefly, right? What do I have? So this is my, in Notion, I put everything just in here in Notion. And my backlog, this is basically, and this is what I just created, right, with you, as people started to write me suggestions on online. So this is what I need to do. And there are some, I don't say that I need to do it all before I upload to stores, but I will try. So this is basically how I organize myself. Just, and this is like very dynamic, and I don't have any deadlines and stuff, right? So I just marked this one, and we're gonna make this one I use for testing. Actually, I'm not gonna fix it now, and I'm gonna use. Well, I can do this, and I can add mute play sound. This is important, right? So I'm gonna do this part now. I'm removing my backlog, and let's see what I do. Can you please? But this is very interesting because I need to find where I want to. Actually, there was a translation. So there is something that I'm gonna add here. Check translation for the game as in Ukrainian. We have Ukrainian. Oh no. Nightmare. I don't know if you understand and if you could hear it, but my cat just vomited. It was AI or not? Xena. It's terrible. Okay. And she just got a pill, whatever. Check translations for the game. As Ukrainian, we have Ukrainian translations, and we have continue conquered percentage progress bar, which is on English. So that's just write it down. Eventually there is a bug, so I need to change it, but it's not big one, so I can stay with it. What do I have? We committed. Okay, now we're gonna do, can you please, sound button. So this is my music button. She just ate too fast everything. All right. Should I add just next to it or below it? Or how to do it? I'm gonna write down. Can you please? Oh my God, Xena. Okay, I need to, just 1 second. I need to clean after my cat. Just 1 second, sorry. I am back. I'm sorry. Whew, where I was. Is all good? By the way, you may need to update your Discord link. It keeps saying invalid invite. Maybe I'm yes. I need to update so many stuff. I need some administrator for this job because I'm not capable to keep up with all this stuff. I just cannot. It's too hard. All right. So what we were doing the audio. Um, look who was just vomiting and just came as if it was not her. Xen, please, just no. It's a sabotage. Sabotage. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm keep keep doing my stuff. All right. So what I can do, I need to define where I want to put the play and pause buttons. So you want to be part of project, like no doubt, always. So I just don't know where to. I can put it underneath, like this. Great music. Or underneath, right? And then gonna be two buttons. Let's do it. So I'm gonna. Can you please below the music play pause button on the main screen also add another button which would play pause the sounds. I mean the sounds of fail, comma, win, click. Just in case users want to mute it. That's all. We need to do this right now. And meanwhile, Cursor is doing this stuff, we can look on what was happening with our translations. This is just not translated. This is pretty much it. Yeah, this isn't just missing translation. So I guess this is great. I feel like the game is making big progress. I'm super happy, and I guess this is really catchy for users. So I'm like super happy. The part, as you guys say, important one right now is to make videos, how to play, how to use, what is cool, what is not cool about this. This is the most important part, which I need to do. All right, but it's quite right. And everything what I did, if this goes good, this application, for me to add new images, new videos, new sounds, it's super easy. Like literally just update JSON file with links, and that's all. So I'm very safe in here. Okay. Why is it Russian? It's not Russian. It's Ukrainian. It's Cyrillic, but probably you like relate all Cyrillic with Russian language. So because I'm Ukrainian, so I did, it's my second application that I do on English and also on Ukrainian languages. So good, it's working good. Let's see if Cursor build is failing. Build is failing. What is miss in the app? The miss in the app is, where is my backlog? Everything what I just showed in here. Oh, just a second. The miss is here. So what I need to finish. Well, this is not going to be every 10% change. Suggest to play a bonus guess AI music. I'm not going to do it. Oh my god, my cat is back. Why are you? Okay, just sit. Come on. Just for people who are new, I'm repeating again. This is my cat. Also, you probably noticed that I was like missing for 5 minutes. It's because my cat vomited. I had to clean. And this is the face of a cat who just vomited. And why she would vomit? Because she was just swallowing her food uncontrollingly. That's all what I wanted to say. This is my cat. See this face? Egoistic face. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. And this is like that she after losing weight. Before she was way fatter, but she looks so fat. Even now. Oh my god. So yeah, what I need to fix the bugs that if we have pop up, I'm actually using this bug for testing. So not now. Crop videos, mute play sound for not music, privacy policy, continue button should be more looking like a clickable button, and translations. So that's my next plan that I need to do. It's not a lot. It's not that I need to create a new logic or stuff. It's all very, very easy to do. Okay. So done. Let's test it out. My cat is very curious to see what we're gonna wipe code right now. What is there? I don't even know how to describe her. I think that with her face, she foreseen a prosperous future. Like, oh yeah, I see this application would be a big success. Amazing. Add to the list, unlock rotate screen or fix the UI when you rotate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I need to add. Yes. But we locked it yesterday very successfully. Okay. So, very nice. This one, let's try it out. So, firstly, music is playing. Yes, music is playing. Nice. And the sound. So now it is playing, but if I mute it here, it is good, right? It's great. It's not working. I'm closing it and I'm putting it back. There was a bug. You saw the bug? This one is now muted. I click Save the Planet. I click like this, close, and now it's not unmuted. So in which state it's got? Oh, there is a bug. So, there is a bug. The icon that you just added is muting the sound only once. I know. Now I need to literally like write a test case for Cursor, and then if I play, the muted icon is changing to unmuted, and there is no way for me to make it how to say it, and there is no way for me to make it to play sound again. And I'm gonna say, I think that the root I actually know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna restart the app, and I think the root of the problem is that once I mute and then play the game, we change the state. of the button. I want to ask a question. I need an advice. If what do you think the music for the game on on install should automatically start playing, or I should click to play? Because right now on first install, when I um, start game, the music is muted, and to start game, sorry, to start to play music, and to play music in the game, I need to literally click the button to play music. So I don't know if that's good or wrong. Probably not good. Great. So now it's working. It was my computer bug. It was not a bug. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let it finish. No, it is, but I don't know. All right. What? I'm stopping to play the music all the time when I click settings. Cursor, please fix the bug. Easy. Yes. All right. So what did you, why it's not done? So I'm gonna update my backlog actually. And I have there. Fix the music. Stop playing once user click on settings. Wow, I have a very big backlog of stuff right now. Hello, hello. Hello, this is my cat. Yes. I don't even know what to say about her face right now. But yeah, but my cat. What can I say? Okay, build successful, but it's still doing something. I'm putting cream because it's quite dry in my home because it's Barcelona winter. She doesn't like the smell of a cream, of course. You don't look here if you don't like it, Xena. Look to the camera. Look here. Yeah, don't look to my hands. She tries to control all my movements. Which models are you using? Well, here I'm on Cursor right now, as you can see, and it's auto mode because I am out of my tokens. And I use ChatGPT because, like, ChatGPT majorly for like more creative stuff in a way, like maybe generating text, images, like this Sora, for example. So that's what I use. Easy. Oh, now we're still doing something and there is some bug because now the planet looks like it's full green, but it's 27% of the planet is covered. There are some testing that I need to do. No, but it's actually good, no? Let me see if I'm gonna share. Yeah, 27 conquered and there is a wrong calculation of percentage. Well, I don't know. Maybe that's for good. I don't understand English. I only understand the ChatGPT and Auto Parts Codex. No. Meow. Well, it's kind of like answering your questions if you understand, right? So, a cursor. It's a cursor. What you see on the screen. It's a cursor. My stream started 2 hours ago. And I did a major fixes, I guess. Okay, build successful. Now we're gonna run and see if it's working. There are one more point to pay attention. Check how the percentage of the game is calculating us. So my idea was, what I don't like in here is that, well, let me change to English. Well, yeah, you will understand probably. So across the game, my logic was that if we are not guessing, we're coloring everything in pink, and if we are guessing, we're coloring in green. So I guess right now, okay, now she doesn't like my cream and she tried to eat it. Right, Xena? Oh, no. So I thought that we're gonna keep the, like, eating pink and green firstly, like covering one on the top of another. But that's not what is happening. Oh my God. She's biting me. Like a cruel cat. Okay, build successful. Let's try it out. So the play sounds now should work. Okay. Working. Mute. Okay, I'm muting this. Start the game. Close the game. Unmute. It's working now. Great. Okay, I click here. Great, it's working. And this is bug, right? Yeah, and what if I play the sound and I'm going on a background? So we're playing also sound on the background. We need to fix it. No, it was just lagging or not. No, it's still playing. Great. Commit. Vomit the changes. Vomit the changes. Commit. It's a Xena today. Vomit the changes. Commit the changes. Now, please change the next. No. We need to fix some. Okay, stop it. Some bugs for the music. If we have music play is on and user goes background with the app, we should stop playing music and play it back once user opens the app again. And also there is a bug that if I click, if I have my music on and I click on, what do I have? Also, if there is a bug, if I have my music on and I click on settings, we automatically stop playing music and set the music button to off, but the pressing on settings button should not influence this music button or state of music playing or not. The next change that we're gonna do. Hi, hello, very welcome everyone. There is another one. Should I, Xena, let me just see my screen, please. Okay, add mute, play sound, not music. It's done. I'm trying to drag her head so I can read what is written on my screen because it's very hard for me to read. Xena. Cat vibe coding. Exactly. Cat is vibe coding. Always like this. Unbelievable. So maybe I'm not going to make progress more visible every 10%. Just I'm not going to do it. No internet offline. Maybe we don't need to do it. Crop win lose videos. This is what I really need to do because I learned from my experience. There is a video on YouTube, the last videos that I uploaded, that if we mess up with any kind of icon logo from any other application, especially like famous one, it's gonna be very big no from stores, so I cannot allow myself to do it. Okay, Xena. Oh my god. So it's still. Oh right, great. She's gonna bite me. Oh. This is typical. All right. Let me put back my screens. Do you know any programming language? No, my answer is no. I can read, understand in a way, but because I'm not doing it like my day-to-day stuff, it would be fair to say, I would say that it's like, I used to do automation a lot before, but because now it's not my part, I'm not. All right. I guess my YouTube video is, no, it's working. It's working. Xena is biting me. Okay. I will relaunch. We need to add terms and condition screen. Continue buttons should be more clickable, and translation. Percentage calculated, I'm gonna keep it. So now basically what I'm doing, I'm checking the backlog. And I'm N4, N8, N or something. I don't know what is N8. No, I had Ruby. Looking for my flip-flop. Ruby. I had Ruby experience. Also, it was espresso. for Android. Majorly, I had mobile application stuff. I don't know what is N8N sincerely. All right. So let's test it out. Is it working? Now we go to settings. Great. I go background. Great. From where is this sound? That's not how I wanted to fix my bug. It just changed the music, right? Now we're going to change to another. Amazing bug fix. Let's kill this bug. It's just very funny to have this kind of bug fixes. We're gonna do another stuff. That's all right. So I need to gonna open the application and stop it from here, right? So the bug with stopping music once user is going back ground is not working. Please change it to the bug with stopping music once user is going to background is not please. No, I will describe what exactly we are doing. Currently, you are just switching the music that is playing. Can you please just stop any music or sound from the game if user set the app on a background, or if if user set the app on a background or went to phone home screen. Now let me open a terms and condition. There is my link to terms and condition. We're already going to prepare the next task for cursor. We're going to add here on the, I'm going to say great job. I talk to ChatGPT and Cursor as Cursor and ChatGPT are talking to me. That's a very good question. Great move. Great job. And now, please, in the settings, under languages, add another section called terms and privacy policy, and add this link to so users can click on it and open this web page. This is terms and privacy policy that I prepared for my game. It's already online and I need to have it for any application that I publish. So I will use it right now. Let's see. Hopefully it's gonna fix my problems. And then we have a translation fix, which would be very easy. And we need to crop. That's all. I'm not gonna fix more stuff. The Kenneth Hi subscribe. Thank you so much for subscription. Okay, great. Still, we do some changes. Come on. Come on. put the radio on. It's Friday night, but it's not Friday night. It's worse. Okay. Build successful. All right. So now, in any case, I'm just gonna ask to add the privacy, and then we're gonna test it. Then we will have translation part, and that would be probably it. The cropping of the video I'm probably gonna do already offline. It's been, how long am I streaming? Do you like to play video games or no? I barely play video games. I play Sims when I'm like, I have this problem of trying to be constantly productive. So basically, or I'm working, or I'm working out, or I'm doing this, or I'm reading, or I'm studying. And when I'm super burned out, which is a problem, I don't think it's something to be proud of, but when I feel like, oh, I'm burned out, I'm enclosing myself alone in a room, opening Sims, building one new character, purchase a house, put myself in a house, and then I stop the game. That's all my capability of playing video games. I used to play more, especially Sims when I was streaming online, but now it makes no sense. I don't know. I don't feel like to. So that's pretty much everything what I play. Which is not good. I don't think it's good. This is good. You look like a focused person. It's not. You cannot. It's not always good. People need to have relaxed mind, I believe, because if you constantly try to be productive, you constantly try to strive for something, I believe that you bring too much tension and you cannot relax and you make worse. So you need to relax. And I have a struggle with those. I need to, I'm very, very conscious that this is part which I believe 100% of all Ukrainian people will understand, because me, myself, I'm dealing with war for several years already. And even though that I was not living in Ukraine for very long time, I still have my house, and my house was bombarded. And my city, my native city, is very, very close to the war zone right now. It's very hard, even morally, to deal with it. So I feel like it's not only me, but all Ukrainians are there, have these feelings that we need to constantly work and to do something. Otherwise, we have this trauma of that's it's something bad gonna happen. And I'm sure that all of Ukrainians have this. I feel like this is already collective trauma that is happening, and super unfair. And that's what we are dealing with. So, unfortunately, yes. And the way that we need to relax, it's super important. And it's sometimes it's about being a focused person, but sometimes it's very, very, very not playing good part in your life. There is time for everything, of course. What hobbies do you have? I do a lot of yoga, a lot, and this is part that helps a lot also for this kind of stuff. And I do these illustrations of the balconies that I like, and I maybe need to make at least this year in January one. It would be nice to do. Reading also I like. I can watch TV now way more, but that's kind of stuff that I have. So let's try to play. Is it fixed? I don't like this sound. Just muted it because I don't like it. One more time. Do we have something? No, it's not playing at all because we are lagging. I'm gonna launch one more time. gonna give another task. So on the progress bar during the game where we show n percentage conquered, we don't have a translation for Ukrainian for that. Please fix. Let me, just keep going. Fix it. Okay, its build is ready. Sound. Go background. Guess it's stopped. Open again. It's playing. Background. It is stopped. I think it's good. Okay, it's good. It's good. And settings, terms and privacy policy. We are opening the web. Let's see if it's gonna be loaded. Should be. Well, we're not loading good, but it's supposed to work. All right. Yeah, it's pretty much because I'm lagging because I have so many stuff open. So what I can mark on my backlog? Actually, let me show you my backlog in here. What do we have? This is something I'm gonna do offline. Add privacy policy. It's done. Check translation we are doing right now. I'm gonna mark it. It's very easy to do. This is not gonna do, not gonna do, not gonna do, not gonna do. We'll do offline. This is something that I need to do. This is done. Yeah, so I just, that's how I organize myself. I'm just clicking on the checkbox to see. All right. Great. Pam, pam, pam. What we do, I open back my application. This is ready. I'm gonna relaunch again. I'm not managing those. This application is purely done by Kotlin, by Cursor. But basically, all of the stuff that I was doing, it's just like you get strings, like just translations. That's all. Like it's I'm not loading something offline, just translate it all myself, and that's pretty much it. All right. Let me see if this working. Conquered. Close. Boom. Ukrainian. This is not fixed. Why are you telling me that this is fixed? Maybe I need to rerun the app. And I'm gonna be gradually closing my stream because it was almost 2.5 hours, as I promised. It's all done. I just want to be sure that it's working good. So yeah, and I would need to crop. I'm gonna do it offline, and then description, screenshots, filling in 1 million of the. Oh, okay. This is actually changed. Great. Let me change to English. I'm gonna do one last change, one last fix, and this is gonna be this one. Let's play one. So I need to play one round of the games. Okay, on this screen, I'm gonna write to commit the changes. And I would need to make the button of continue to make it more clickable, like, because discontinued, you cannot understand that this is really a button. So I will say on the pop-up, with the, it's called round results, with the round results, round complete. Can you please make the button continue look more like a button? Make it more like well, not like a text. That's what I will do. So I don't know. Guys, wish me luck to sell my bike. I'm trying so much to sell my bike, waiting for people to answer me. Just really like, I'm gonna feel myself liberated once gonna sell it. I'm gonna be like, oh, finally, I don't have anything that I'm not using for several years. It would be so nice. Okay, so this is ready. Last game that we're gonna play now. We run in the build, then we're gonna commit, and before I do anything, I will install it on my test device. It's a real test device because you can see that it has here a bandage because I dropped it a long time ago. It's not like, it's only for testing. I always need money. But I just hate to have a bike that I'm not using. That's why I want to sell it. Okay, let's save the planet and we... software update. Wait a second. Just give me to enter my password online. Craziness. Okay. Last. Perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change it to Ukrainian to see that it's still very good on Ukrainian and save the planet. And we will have a lot of streams when I'm gonna convert it to Swift. A lot of streams. Conversion this all to Swift is gonna be long. Okay, it's amazing. Commit the changes. After I'm gonna push it to remote. No, not Git. No, wait. It's lagging. Come on. Generate APK. We are generating APK so I can pass it to my phone to test. And meanwhile, I will gradually end the stream. It was 2 hours, 30 minutes. And it's time for me to rest a bit. It was a really great job today. So first of all, let me see my application is ready. So I'm gonna go to, let's go to stream summary, but I need the stream manager and I'm gonna raid you guys to where? To where I'm gonna raid you? I'm gonna raid you to someone. If only I knew. To whom am I gonna raid you? What is this? Let me see. Something I don't like. I need to like to people to whom I'm gonna raid you. So this is a very responsible part. Okay, web design. Let me see. Oh. Something tells me no, but let's a bit more. What do we have? I don't understand to whom to raid you. I actually know. There was a really nice guy who wrote me Hexdew. Is it here? How can I find? Mm, I don't know. So hard, so hard. Okay. Okay, there is ZSO that we're gonna raid you guys to there. He's developing something. I'm not sure what. Go web dev, adding PayPal to full test suite. No brain rot stream. Okay, no brain rot stream, so let's do it. I'm raiding you to him. I have no idea. I never saw him, but seems interesting. So I'm gonna raid you. You can probably already hear him. So I'm raiding you. Mwah. Thank you everyone for joining. You're gonna see me next week, most likely. And everybody on YouTube, just thank you for staying here. This seems, oh, good luck for converting this to Swift. Thank you so much. This seems scary. Hi, I'm back again. How's the progress so far? You're back again the moment when I'm saying goodbye to everyone. The progress is great. You see the generated APK on my screen? This is something that's going to go to final test on my test device, which contains here the bandage. And quite tired because it was 2 hours, 30 minutes, which is a big work to do. So yeah, the Twitch guys are already on another channel. I'm gonna end the stream. If you are there, like, thank you so much. And YouTube also, everyone who subscribed today, everyone who watched and support and gonna play this game also, like, thank you for watching. And yeah, I have to go, and I will see you most likely in 1 week. So mwah, see you, bye until Saturday, and see you